Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Let's go and find some top quality dividend paying stocks, a 2% or higher dividend yield with full franking credits. So fully imputed stocks there, you get the tax credits. How do we do it? Let's go and find it in VectorVest. Before we get going here, please note our license numbers. So there they are. And note, general advice only. I cannot advise you personally. All right, so we're clear with that. General advice only. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, let's jump out of here. I'm going to cut straight to the chase. In VectorVest, we've got this powerful search called Fully Franked Dividend Payers. It finds good quality stocks with solid fundamentals and technicals, where the dividend yield is 2% or better, where there is at least 100,000 trades a day or more on average. So lots of liquidity. And then the real magic kicks in here. Both the interim and the final franking credits paid out are at least 100%. All right, so I'm not sure if you can get franking credits more than 100%, but certainly here we've set it to being 100%. So you get the full imputation credits there, the full franking credits. And then we make sure that the dividends are safe. So we set a dividend safety of 60 or better. Now in Australia, we've found a dividend safety score of 50 or higher means you've got a very good chance of meeting or exceeding the dividend on offer, and in turn getting the franking credit. So it's on a scale of 0 to 99. 50 or better is very good in Australia, and 60 is excellent. So we're finding some very good quality dividend paying stocks that are fully franked. And then what we do is we sort all these stocks by momentum. So we're bringing the quickest ones up the top of the list. Let's run the search. Now I've deliberately kept it to being 5 stocks only. I don't want to inundate you with information overload. And to our subscribers, go and run the fully franked dividend payers search. You can find a lot more. If you're not a subscriber, take it a trial us out and then run the search and you can find a lot more. I'm just going to go through the top 5 here. So I'll select the top 5. You can see here, they're all fully franked. All right, 100% both interim and final franking credits. Let's go and graph the given stocks and we'll work through them. So what I've got here is I've put on the dividend yield. Okay, all of these are 100% fully franked. And we're just going to look at the dividend yield and let's pull it back a tad. So you can see here in recent times, my goodness, look at the huge capital uplift in JB Hi-Fi. It's gone from around about $50 odd back in 2023 to over $100 now. So not only have you doubled your capital, but you've got a pretty juicy dividend as well. It's over 2% currently at the moment. Okay, it has been falling because the dividends being paid out are not keeping up with the massive uplift in the share price. But who's complaining? You're still getting a dividend of 2% or better, and you're getting full franking credits on top. So that's really good. Let's see here. Fleetwood. Dividends here are not quite as compelling. No, I'm just joking. Very compelling, aren't they? Look at that, 5%. Phenomenal. The share price is lifted up in recent times here. So you can see here it's gone from what, $1.40 odd back in July of 2024. Look at that, to $2.70. So very compelling capital growth there too. And it's fully franked. Probably not as smooth left to right as what JB Hi-Fi has been. All right, let's move on. Qantas. Now in recent times here you can see, let's have a look here. If I go back and look at the dividend yield, 2.58, what was it sitting at here? 0. So you can see they've only just recently started paying out dividends again. So the question is, are you comfortable with that? I'd like to see a longer track record, but nonetheless, right now, you're getting a dividend yield of around about 2.5%. That's fully franked. The share price is going up. So, only you can make up your mind on that. Certainly price has been going up, but the dividend track record hasn't been that strong. But nonetheless, VectorVest is looking right now. Yes, it's 2% or better. Yes, it's fully franked. And yes, the fundamental and technical analysis is currently stacking up. SRG Global Limited. Very good capital growth. My goodness, look at that capital growth. The dividend yield there, 3.5%. Who's complaining? It's fully franked. Very good dividend yield, plus it's fully franked. Sure, it's been coming down a bit as the share price has been going up. The dividends haven't quite been keeping up because remember, a dividend yield is the dividend divided by the share price and then multiplied by 100 to make it a percentage. So if the share price rockets up 100% and you haven't increased your dividend payouts by 100%, then effectively your yield starts to drop. But still, 3.5 is still a very good dividend yield and fully franked. But look at the capital growth. Last one here, SSM. Let's zoom it in. Looks very impressive when you do it this way. Look at that. So currently 2.6%. It's fully franked. But look at the share price. It's gone from what, about 70, 80 cents back in 23. Look at that, all the way up now to almost $2. So on this stock here, not only are you getting capital growth, you're getting dividend yield, and you're getting franking credits. In fact, for all those stocks, that's exactly what you're getting. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting income and you're getting capital growth. The power of VectorVest. So if you're a subscriber, go and run the fully franked dividend payer search. All of those top dividend paying stocks fully franked and right at your fingertips. If you'd like to take out a subscription, hop along to www.vectorvest.com.au. You can't miss the link. There'll be a link there where you can take out a 30-day trial. We hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.